Good morning, Tube. Today is Saturday, March 31st. Tomorrow is Easter Sunday. So today I expect it to be extremely busy. We'll see how it goes. Yesterday was an incredible day, so I don't expect it to be any less today. We're headed out to the shop right now. It is 7:10 a.m. Technically, we open at 8 a.m., but early bird gets the worm, guys. Just like I tell you guys every day. If you guys aren't getting up and getting out to the shop early, especially on Saturday, damn, you guys are losing money. You guys are leaving money on the table. So get up, wash that ass, brush those teeth, take a shower, and get to work. This is my point. Saturdays, Fridays, and Sundays are the best days for barbering. I'm not lying to you. That's the best days of barbering. If you ain't getting up early to get to work on those days at least, you're messing up. You're not going to be the top earner. You want to be the top earner? You get there early, especially on those days. Look, guys, getting up early is a set frame of mind. That's all it is. You train yourself. You know, you gotta program yourself to getting up early. That's what it is to be this job. That's what it is. You get up early every day. I tell my young barbers right now, man, I wake up every single morning at 5:45. Why? Because I programmed myself to do that. You know, it's not easy. It's something that you have to grow up and build yourself into. But if you do it, guess what, guys? You'll never be late. You'll never be late to anything if you get up at 5:45. Get up at 5:45, make your bed, take a shower, get some coffee in you, and man, you'll have an incredible day. If you wake up at 5:45, you have enough time to get up in the morning and go walk 3 miles before you do anything. And you still have plenty of time. That's my point of the day, guys. Get up early and get to work, you know? Don't get up 15 minutes before it's time to get there. Nobody wants to see you with your stank mouth and your stank, you know? Get up, take a shower, brush your teeth, get some coffee in you, get ready and get out there and grind. That's what we do. That's what barbers do. We grind. You have to grind it day in, day out. Turn that ugly rock into a diamond. You know what I'm saying? Get going. Get up early. Man, I'm excited about this morning. I'm already here and I'm ready to rock and roll. All right, guys. I will talk to you guys later.
Then I fade just like fun. Then I fade just like fun. A monster to me. Then I fade just like fun. Then I fade just like fun. A monster to me. Maybe we're water and this is all so. Though it never happened, it tears us apart. Maybe we're water and this is all so. Though it never happened, it tears us apart. Then I feel just like fun. Then I feel just like fun. A monster to me. Then I feel just like fun. Then I feel just like fun. A monster to me. Maybe we're is all so, though it never happened. It tears us apart. Maybe we're water and this is all so, though it never happened. It tears us apart. Then I feel just like then I say just like
Pretty crazy day today. Just got off work right now. It is 6 o'clock. Actually headed to Sam's Club because I gotta buy some things for my barbecue tomorrow for Easter. Got a busy day tomorrow. Still got swap meet. Swap meet doesn't finish just because of Easter. I'm also working. We're working till 12 o'clock. Today was super crazy day. I mean, it was like I didn't even get to go to the bank. I didn't get a lunch. I got a new record on the box for myself, which means, I don't know if you guys, a record on the box means what we have on the register. Record means, you know, of course, it's a new high number for me. That's how crazy it was today. It was super crazy. But then again, I was short 2 barbers. I was short Fido and J-Lo. So Fido's a great barber. J-Lo does a lot of work. So I mean, it was, and it's Easter, so it was super crazy today. Glad it's over. Tomorrow's another day. I will be there. You know what, guys? I just want to kind of reflect on what we were talking about. You know, we were talking about the other day, earlier today, when we were saying about, you know, being there for your boss and stuff like that. And you know, it's the truth. You know, like you need to be there for your boss, because you know what, your boss can't do it all. Like today was so crazy. And you know, and I know I'm the owner of the barbershop, so I gotta pick up the slack. But man, it was insanity today. And the reason why is because I don't have enough barbers on days like this, you know. And I that's my fault, because sometimes I care about what my barbers make, so I want them to, you know, to make enough money. So I try not to keep as many barbers as I need, but then I shorthand myself when situations like this happen, where I'm shorthanded and I have 2 chairs, you know, 3 chairs are empty. There's 4 people working and my shop has 7 chairs, you know, it's ridiculous. That's my fault, that's mismanagement. And, you know, I'm letting you guys know, because, you know, that's what it is to be a barber boss, you know, like, not only am I the head barber, I'm the boss, you know, so I gotta manage all these aspects of the business. It's insanity, guys, you know, it's insanity. But you know what? We got through this day. I'm not gonna lie, we made good ass money, you know, and tomorrow's another day, guys, and you know what? As long as I can keep doing this, and I love doing this, I mean, I live for this. You should have seen it today. Today was so busy. It's like, to me, when it gets busy like that, guys, I want to share this with you. When it gets busy like that, to me, it's like a chess game, you know? It's like, me, myself, I'm cutting somebody's hair, and I can see who's coming in, and I already know who's next. That guy's next after that. That guy's next after that. And, you know, that guy's like, I don't know, he's going to go whoever. So if that guy goes over there, then I got this guy over here, you know what I mean? And it's like that all day long. Today was crazy, because today was nonstop. I'm not lying. It was from 7:30 till... I stopped at 5:30, so it was a crazy day. But to me, I love that. I live for that. I mean, I don't want to work like that every day, but days like that, man, it was awesome. But I just wanted to share that with you guys. Thank you again for watching another daily edition of Big Al's Barber Blogs. Be back tomorrow. Keep watching, and I'll keep putting it down. Leave comments. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs down. It's all good. I don't care. Lates. Check it out, guys. On the menu for tomorrow, marinating. Oh! You saw that live. Don't worry, not too much. We're good. We're good. We're good. Minor setback. So, like I was saying before, a little mishap. It wasn't really a mishap. This is rub. Doesn't matter how much you put on it. Put as much as you want on it. These are pork country style ribs. We're having that, and I'm also making a couple tri-tips, and then regular beef back ribs too. So last peek right here. These are some fat pork ribs. They're going in there tomorrow too.